Are you looking for a reliable and efficient deep freezer? Look no further than the higher HFC 400D M5 double door hard top deep freezer. This 5-star energy rated machine also has a stabilizer free operation which ensures less harm from electricity fluctuations. The 5D uniform freezing helps reach the desired temperature in less time so you can freeze your food faster. The embossed PCM inner liner helps provide better longevity and reduces internal damage. The dual condenser gives better cooling and helps achieve the desired temperature in less time. The 50 mm heavy-duty casters help provide a better ground clearance and easy mobility. Plus, you can easily convert the freezer mode to chiller mode as per your requirements. Get yours now.
If you're in the market for a new freezer, there are several factors to consider to ensure that you get the right model for your needs. Here's a comprehensive buying guide for freezers. Type. There are two main types of freezers, chest freezers and upright freezers. Chest freezers are typically larger and more energy efficient, while upright freezers are easier to access and organize. Consider which type will work best for your needs. Size. Freezers come in various sizes ranging from compact models to larger models that can store a lot of food. Consider how much frozen food you need to store and the available space in your kitchen when selecting the right size for you. Capacity. Freezer capacity is measured in cubic feet or liters, and it's important to choose a freezer with enough capacity to store all of your frozen food. A family of 4 will typically need a freezer with a capacity of at least 5 to 7 cubic feet or 140 to 200 liters. Energy efficiency. Energy efficient freezers can save you money on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Consider factors such as insulation quality and cooling technology, as advanced cooling technologies such as inverter compressors and dual temperature sensors can significantly increase energy efficiency. Features. Freezers come with a range of features that can impact performance and convenience. Look for features like adjustable shelves, temperature alarms, automatic defrost, and interior lighting. Adjustable shelves allow you to customize the interior of the freezer to accommodate larger items, while temperature alarms alert you if the temperature inside the freezer rises above a certain level. Cooling technology. Freezers can use either a static cooling system or a frost-free cooling system. A static cooling system circulates cold air in the freezer, while a frost-free system uses a fan to distribute cold air evenly and prevent frost buildup. Frost-free freezers are generally easier to maintain, but they can be less energy efficient. In conclusion, purchasing a freezer requires careful consideration of various factors such as type, size, capacity, energy efficiency, features, cooling technology, and more. By taking these factors into account, you can choose a freezer that suits your needs best. Happy shopping!